Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. April was a rough month for the stock market, but we're now into May, so hopefully we see things improve slightly. Of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to check out TipRanks TV, where you can find our after-hour market recap to get you up to speed with what's been going on throughout the day and into the after hours, plus some other great exclusive stock content. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. The U.S.'s Federal Open Market Committee is meeting this week and is expected to announce the biggest increase to rates since 2000 on Wednesday. They're expected to announce an increase to rates of 50 basis points. U.S. stock futures are currently in the green. Right now, the Dow futures are up 0.32%, S&P 500 futures up 0.22%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.28%. Reports of Chinese electric vehicle deliveries are out, and we're definitely seeing the impact of some of the COVID-related lockdowns in China. NIO delivered just over 5,000 vehicles in April, down from about 10,000 delivered in March. While Li Auto delivered 4,167 vehicles in April, down from about 11,000 delivered in March. And XPeng came in slightly better than those two, delivering just over 9,000 vehicles in April, down from about 15,000 vehicles delivered in March. In the latest Netflix news, it was announced that they would be canceling Meghan Markle's animated series Pearl as one of their latest cost-saving attempts following disappointing quarterly earnings. The cancellation is part of strategic decisions Netflix is making around animated series. The cancellation comes after Netflix reportedly laid off an undisclosed number of employees at its entertainment site. Netflix has faced pressure as more competitors enter the space and vie for users' time. With that, the company has spent billions on its content. Analysts currently rate the stock a hold with an average upside of 58% following massive declines. And Apple has received an antitrust complaint from the European Union over their Apple Pay. They're alleging the tech giant's dominance over the mobile wallet market has curbed competition. Their Apple Pay is the only mobile payment solution compatible with iOS devices, giving them significant market power. The EU's executive VP in charge of competition policy said that in our statement of objections, we preliminarily found that Apple may have restricted competition to the benefit of its own solution, Apple Pay. If confirmed, such a conduct would be illegal under our competition rules. Analysts currently rate the Apple stock a strong buy with an average upside of 21%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Earnings season continues as we're expecting to hear from 150 companies of the S&P 500 this week. Some of the highlights include Expedia, Pfizer, Starbucks, Uber, Moderna, eBay, and Pfizer, just to name a few. This morning, we heard from Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. The company invested big on energy stocks in the quarter and saw their operating profits edge higher. They reported operating earnings of $7.04 billion, which improved marginally from $7.02 billion in the prior year. They did deliver net earnings of $5.46 billion, down from $11.71 billion in the prior year. During their annual shareholders meeting, Warren Buffett said that the company bought $51.1 billion worth of equities. They're increasing their stake in Activision Blizzard and poured money into Chevron and Occidental and HP. Buffett maintained his stance on Bitcoin, saying he wouldn't be a buyer. With one analyst giving a price target well over $500,000, the Berkshire Hathaway stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 12%. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Hilltop Holdings after commencing a modified Dutch auction tender offer to repurchase up to 400 million of its common shares. Under the ticker HTH, the stock is currently up nearly 16%. They're followed by Supergroup under the ticker SGHC. Their stock is up 7.5% on no distinct news. And Spirit Airlines, under the ticker SAVE, they're up 5.4% after JetBlue submits an enhanced superior proposal to acquire them. Our biggest losers this morning are led by HUTCHMED after the FDA denied one of their approval applications. Under the ticker HCM, the stock is down 10.6%. They're followed by Moody's under the ticker MCO. Their stock is down 6.8% after their first quarter profit dropped with a dip in revenue. And Dish Network down over 6.7% on no distinct news. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning over on TipRanks TV. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.